In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the trigger effects and controller vibrations here in Battlefield REDSEC or Battlefield 6 on your controller. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point with this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But from the home screen, go ahead and navigate over to your settings and scroll specifically down on the left-hand sidebar to your controller settings. Once you're on your controller settings, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and you're going to see an option for controller tuning. Go ahead and open this up. And from here, you're going to want to find that controller vibration setting and simply just go ahead and toggle it off if you want zero vibration. Alternatively, you can adjust the intensity to whatever you would like, and you can also turn trigger weapon fire and adaptive weapon trigger fire to 0 as well. This is going to completely disable all vibrations and adaptive triggers. Now, if you're on a PlayStation, you may also need to go ahead and back out of this section, hit the home tab, and then go into your accessories by going into your settings and then finding the accessories option. From here, go into your controller and then you can adjust it in here as well. But after doing so, you can now play without that rumble or trigger resistance. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.